Hi guys, welcome to the video. Do you like my shirt? First off, I'll be starting by applying the white WandaVision chapstick all over my lips, and we'll be using the entire WandaVision collection, or at least what I managed to get my hands on. And then we're going to follow that up with the Tatcha face primer along with the Tatcha dewy moisturizer. And throughout the video, I will be using purple colored products in honor of Agatha Harkness. Then I'm going to prep my eyes for eyeshadow using the P. Louise eyeshadow primer base. Then starting with the 70s WandaVision palette, I'm going to be using the color Illusion and apply that as a base all over the lids. Now I'll be taking the 50s and 60s eyeshadow palette and taking the color Flourish. I will be applying that to the crease and then going with the color Familiar and adding that to the crease as well to create more shadow. Taking the cool tone gray color Magnetic, I will be concentrating that on the outer V and slightly bring it towards the top middle. Once that is smoked out, I'm going to use the 80s and 90s palette, and using the sparkly silver color Elixir, I'm going to apply that all over the lid and then follow that up with the color Wicked and apply that to the inner tear ducts of my eyes. Before I finish the eyes, I'm going to start putting foundation by L'Oreal in the shade 440 and then follow that up with concealer using Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Pine Nut and apply that to my nose, under my eyes, forehead, and chin. After I blended it all in, I'm going to be using Givenchy's or Givenchy's translucent powder and apply that all over my face, because who wants to be oily as hell like these candles right next to me, right? Then I'm going to be brushing off all that translucent powder with my MAC Studio Fix in the shade C3. Going back to the 50s palette, I'm picking up Magnetic again, and I'm adding more of that gray color to my lower lash line. And then in the series, it looks like Agatha has like some type of gray shadowing, almost contouring her nose a bit, which makes her look a bit more evil. So I'm going to be doing the same thing and also bringing it a little bit up towards my brow and down the sides of my nose a bit. Now taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner, I'm going to be doing a very thin cat eye because we will be adding fake lashes to this look and I don't want it to look too dramatic either. And now taking the Westview Wink eyelash set, I'm going to be using the very last ones towards the bottom. And then I'm going to curl my lashes in order to blend them in with my real ones, and then add a little bit of Falsies mascara to my top and lower lashes. And then follow that up with the Too Faced Chocolate Brownie brow pencil and fill in my brows, since in the series Agatha has very sharp eyebrows. Once I've combed out my brows from the Chocolate Brownie pencil, I'm going to define my eyebrows even more using the NYX eyebrow gel in the shade Black. Now taking the bronzer and highlighter palette from the collection, I will be taking the shade Everlasting and use that to contour. And now with the blush palette, I'll be grabbing the color Warped and apply that to the apples of my cheeks. And now switching back to the bronzer and highlighter palette, now I'm going to pick up Nostalgia and use that to highlight my face. And for the lips, I will be using Kylie Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Coco K, and then top it off with the clear gloss from the WandaVision collection. And then to finally finish off the eyes, I will be going back to the 70s palette and picking up the purple shade Enchanted and apply that to the outer corners of my eyes to make the illusion that I have magic coming out of them. And since I want more glitter, I will be using the Nabla palette and using the purple shade to press on top of the Enchanted shade. Once that is done, let's change into something a little bit more comfortable, shall we? And now for the final step, I'm grabbing this black Clinique gel liner and with the fluffy brush just applying it to the tips of my fingers and kind of blending it down towards my hands. And then just to set the eyeliner that we put on our hands, I'm grabbing the black sparkly shade Supernatural from the 70s palette and dusting it all over my hands and getting rid of any harsh lines from the gel liner. Since we're gonna go drain out all of Wanda's power right now, I want my makeup to last during battles, so I'm just going to set my face using Morphe's Continuous Setting Mist, and we're done! Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really had a lot of fun putting the costume together. The only two things that I bought was the brooch and the purple shawl, and I got both of them from Amazon, so if you're interested I will link the two of them down below. Other than that, I just grabbed the white turtleneck layered over a bluish grayish tank top and then just finished the outfit by putting on a black cardigan. And I also managed to find this black beetle toy at a dollar store. Let's change this beetle into something else. Reformector Fecora. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to please like, comment, and subscribe. And please stand by for the next WandaVision tutorial. Bye bye now! Oh, and I was supposed to kill Sparky and all, but she's too cute, so no.